Welcome to our tutorial on the Select tool. I'm going to right-click and select Edit Sketch. As a native Windows function, we can Shift and Control-select multiple entities. I can also use the Drag and Select option. The functionality of the selection depends upon the direction in which we drag. If I drag from left to right, the entities which are totally within the selection area become selected. If I drag the opposite direction, from right to left, both the entities fully and partially within the selected area become selected. Of course, we can combine these two methods. You can hold down the Shift key and do two selections. Okay, let's convert the selected lines to construction geometry. And this concludes our tutorial on the Select tool.